You wake up in the rhythmic pulse of the heart, the very engine of life. And let me tell you, it's like starting your day on the world's most intense roller coaster. You're a red blood cell, and from the moment the heart beats you into existence, there's no time to waste. Every pulse is a fresh burst of energy, propelling you into the winding highways of the circulatory system, and you're here to deliver the ultimate cargo: oxygen. The day kicks off in a cozy capillary, where you and your countless colleagues are nestled together like a bustling subway at rush hour. You're soft, flexible, and built to squeeze through even the tiniest of spaces. The moment the heart gives that mighty push, you're off, darting through the vessels with the precision of a seasoned marathoner. There's a thrill in knowing that every beat, every surge of energy means you're one step closer to your mission. Your first major stop is the lungs, the ultimate refueling station. As you pass through the pulmonary capillaries, you're bathed in a fresh wave of oxygen. It's like hitting the jackpot on a perpetual oxygen buffet. With every oxygen molecule that clings to your surface, you become more charged, more ready to tackle the day ahead. You're no ordinary cell. You're a life-sustaining courier on an endless loop of delivery. Once oxygenated, the journey continues through expansive arteries, where you travel like a tiny, tireless racer. Along the way, you pass bustling neighborhoods of cells, muscle fibers flexing in mid-workout, neurons firing off messages like high-speed emails, and even a few white blood cells on their own secret missions. Every encounter is a reminder of the grand, interconnected web of life that you help sustain. You may be just a red blood cell, but you're a key player in the epic drama of existence. Of course, not every moment is a smooth ride. There are times when you find yourself navigating through narrow, winding capillaries, like trying to squeeze through a crowded alley during peak hours. It's a tight fit, and sometimes it feels like the space is so cramped, you might just burst from all the pressure. But you've got resilience in your membrane, and with a bit of flexibility and a lot of determination, you make it through every twist and turn. Then comes the high-octane part of your day, delivering oxygen to tissues that are in overdrive. Imagine being in the midst of a high-stakes relay race in a bustling muscle tissue during exercise. The demand for oxygen skyrockets, and you're in the thick of it, darting through capillaries, delivering life's most precious resource with every beat of the heart. It's exhilarating, it's intense, and it never gets old. Even when the going gets tough, you push on, knowing that every molecule you deliver helps power the body's remarkable feats. As midday rolls around, there's a brief moment of calm, a fleeting pause in the relentless cycle. You cruise through a quieter network of capillaries, taking a moment to appreciate the sheer brilliance of the system that keeps you on the move. It's like a well-deserved coffee break in the middle of an unending marathon. You reflect on the simple, yet awe-inspiring truth that your tireless work is the backbone of life. Every oxygen molecule you carry is a small victory, a testament to your unyielding spirit. But just when you think you might catch a break, the journey ramps up again. You're back on the fast track, heading towards tissues that are in desperate need of your delivery skills. Maybe it's the brain during a burst of creativity, or the muscles during a sudden sprint. Every turn of the vessel is a new opportunity to make a difference, and every beat of the heart is a reminder of the ceaseless rhythm of life. It's a cycle of constant motion, a dance of survival that never pauses for breath. As the day begins to wind down, the loop takes you back toward the heart. This is the moment when the cycle completes, a full circle of life's marathon. Deoxygenated, you head back to the lungs, where you drop off your carbon dioxide load and pick up a fresh shipment of oxygen. It's a never-ending exchange, a relentless cycle that fuels every heartbeat, every step, every moment of existence. Even as the body settles into the quiet of night, your work is far from over. There's a gentle, steady pulse in the darkness, a lullaby of life that continues even when the hustle and bustle of the day fades away. You find a brief respite in a quiet capillary, basking in the satisfaction of a day well spent. Sure, it's a long day with no break for a nap, but every moment is filled with purpose, with the thrill of knowing you've played a vital role in keeping life going. In the grand tapestry of existence, being a red blood cell is all about endurance, resilience, and an unbreakable spirit. You're the unsung hero of the body, tirelessly racing through a labyrinth of vessels, delivering oxygen with a fervor that never wanes. You might be microscopic, but your impact is monumental. Every pulse, every beat is a tribute to your relentless drive, your unwavering commitment to the cause. So here's to you, the tireless red blood cell. Onward, always onward, in the grand, unending journey of life. Your story may be small, but it's one of extraordinary perseverance and undeniable importance. And honestly, that's pretty cool.